Hello students, once again welcome back to the class of physics. So in the previous session actually we discussed the concept of PN junction diode, or we can say semiconductor diode. Hope you all understood what is the meaning of semiconductor diode and where we are using it, and what is the working of it, how will be the current will flow. So and the different definitions, concepts we studied there, that is potential barrier or barrier potential, and depletion region, positive immovable charges, negative immovable charges. Okay. And yeah, so PN junction, where it comes actually, what do you mean by PN junction, what do you mean by PN junction diode, or we can say semiconductor diode, so how exactly it formed, so everything we discussed. But there we have studied everything without connecting an external battery, that is nothing but external, with we studied there without biasing. Okay, biasing ಮಾಡದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. So here we can study the concept of the same semiconductor diode, so which actually we are going to study under two different stages, that is one is forward bias and another one is reverse bias. So in that, how exactly it works, that we will see now. Okay, the forward bias and the reverse bias characteristics of semiconductor diode. Okay, see how exactly it is. The first one is forward bias characteristics of semiconductor diode. So now, so what do you mean by forward bias? So this is very important. See, remember one thing. Okay, so the forward bias and the reverse bias, these two are the different words, terms, but you can remember easy. See, we can say, if the positive terminal of the battery, we know in semiconductor diode how many sides are there. So let us take, this is a semiconductor diode, I'll write the diagram, or we can say PN junction diode. So this is of what, P side, this is of what, N side. So what are the majority charge carriers in P side? The holes are the majority charge carriers, and in N side, electrons are the majority charge carriers. Correct? So holes and electrons, actually this is how it is located. So but this is for what? This is nothing but, so from here to here it is nothing but depletion layer. So depletion layer, and this is a PN junction. How it formed, everything we studied. So what happens here, the electrons from the N side, they'll get diffused to the P side, and the holes from the P side, they'll diffuse to the N side. Don't think like if it is holes and here it is electrons, ಇಲ್ಲಿ holes ಇಲ್ಲಿ electrons ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ holes ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. It doesn't mean like holes are not there in the N side. It doesn't mean like electrons are not there in the P side. It's there, but majority charge carriers are holes. That is the reason I took holes only here. So now this holes will drifted towards the positive terminal of N side, as shown in the figure. So these things we already studied in the previous case. So electrons will come and settle here. So these are all nothing but what? These are negative immovable ions, and these are nothing but positive immovable ions. Now what happens? The electric field is created across this junction. So these are the things what we have studied in the previous case. Okay, now what I am doing is, here I didn't connect any battery, any external power supply. So now I am connecting an external power supply. But here, where actually we are connecting? So what we are supposed to connect to the P side, and what we are supposed to connect to the N side. So that will decides what actually the forward bias and the reverse bias characteristics of semiconductor diode. Now, so Now let's come here. So forward bias and reverse bias. We'll see working. See now if you connect the positive terminal of the battery to the P side, this is a positive terminal of the battery, it is connected to the P junction or P side, and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the N side, then we can say this is under forward bias. So this is under forward bias. Okay, this is the main thing. So what you have to do, positive terminal of the battery is connected to P side and negative terminal of the battery is connected to N side. Then we can say the system is under forward bias. This is the first condition. Next we'll come to the working part. So how exactly it works? See, we know that actually if you don't connect any external source of battery, what happens? The electrons which are present on the N side, they'll diffuse to the P side. Meanwhile, the holes which are present on the P side, they'll diffuse to the N side. Okay, now what happens if I increase the potential? So for this, it's already having some barrier potential VB. VB is the barrier potential it has. Okay, so even though I'll connect battery and I'll keep the voltage, applied voltage as 0. So this is VB, it has some X value, some value it is there, some 0, some volt, some value is there. Now V, the applied potential, what I am doing is I'll keep this V as 0. If we keep the value of V as 0, then does it allow the electric current to pass through this diode? No. I is also 0. Current is 0. Why, sir? Because see, this VB has nothing but it has a barrier potential, or junction potential, we can also say it as. So it has some value, and also cut-in voltage we studied in the previous case. Okay, while discussing the circuit diagram, there I'll tell you the IV characteristics of semiconductor diode. There you will understand. So what happens when you keep on increasing the voltage? When you keep on increasing the voltage, that is when you keep on increasing the potential, initially, okay, so this will be the potential, the barrier potential. This is highest potential, it is lowest potential. So width of the depletion region is represented like this. So what happens when you keep on increasing the voltage? When you keep on increasing the voltage, here it is positive, here it is negative. So the flow of current, it is in this direction. So what happens here? The electrons which are present in the inside, they'll start to diffuse to the P side. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ದ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ದ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ region decreases. It must decreases ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂತು. ಲೇಟರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, then what happens, the height of the barrier potential that is also get decreases. ಈಗ barrier potential ಈ ತರ ಆಯ್ತು. So initially this will be the condition, highest potential, and this will be the lowest potential. When you increase the forward bias voltage, then the voltage become VB minus V. Initially it is high, so what happens, the barrier potential minus the applied voltage. If you do like that, then the resultant voltage, what happens, it goes on decreases. Why, sir? See, we have connected battery here. Here we have an external electric field, correct? So here we are applying electric field in this direction. Here already it is there acting along in this direction. So let us take, this is some 100 Newton per coulomb. Okay, so here it has some value, some 60 or 70. When you find the resultant electric field, then what happens? Definitely these two are acting in opposite direction. So 100 minus 60 you will get 40. So the electric field goes on decreases. It means what? Actually the width of the depletion region also goes on decreases. And here the barrier potential, we have some value. Here we are going to increase the value of what? Applied voltage. So when we do like that, so when you take the difference between these two, the resultant voltage also goes on decreases. Due to this decrease in voltage, the barrier potential, the width of the depletion region goes on decreases. Okay, ಇದ್ರ width ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡೂ diffuse agi, that will lead to the formation of current. Okay, so sir, only this case sir, do you have any other thing? Yes, this only. Sir, illa hangare electrons irodilva, irutte. So illirante electrons enagutte, idru jothe recombine agutte alva. So meanwhile reverse cases, but most of the electrons we will get in inside. So this will comes from here to there. From here to here it comes, then that will lead to the formation of current. So the resultant potential enagutte, you will get the values VB minus VB V. So this will be the condition. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So width of the depletion region ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ barrier potential ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that means voltage goes on decreases, resultant voltage that is also goes on decreases. So this I can read it as VB minus V. VB minus V. So this is nothing but the forward bias characteristics of forward bias given by the semiconductor diode, or when we apply an external source of battery to this semiconductor diode, what happens? The electrons from the N side, they will get diffused to the P side due to an external electric field, because the applied electric field is greater than the electric field what we got here across the potential barrier. Okay, so due to this reason, so the net electric field goes on decreases. Because of this, the across the junction, the barrier potential goes on decreases. So that means what? The width of the depletion region goes on decreases, the barrier potential height goes on decreases similarly. So when you increase the applied voltage, that is this voltage, when you keep on increasing, then what happens? The width of the depletion region goes on decreases. Due to this decrease in the width, height of barrier potential goes on decreases. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ height ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ voltage ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ VB minus V ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. So then due to decrease in barrier potential, the flow of electrons from N to P and holes from P to N also increases. Because of this decrease in the potential or decrease in the width of the depletion region, electrons ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು, ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, obviously it will, the current I goes on increases. Current increases, or in generally we can say this will conduct ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. During forward bias this will conduct. So what happens in the case of reverse bias, that we will see later. Hope you all understood what is forward bias and what is reverse bias, and what will be the value of, not the reverse bias yet to study. So what will be the value of resistance? Resistance value is very less. Why it is less? Because depletion region width decreases. Decreases means what? Opposition decreases. So opposition decreases means what? Resistance less. If resistance is less, then what happens? Current increases, and the current what actually we are getting here, that we are going to get in terms of milliampere. Milliampere or milliamps. Okay, so this is all about forward bias characteristics of semiconductor device, and we have a circuit diagram and also the graph. How will be the current varies, how will be the voltage varies, that we will see in the next video. Just go through with this video. So try to understand the concept properly. If you got any doubt, you can ask. Share your doubt in the group, there we will discuss.